We asked a very basic question, but this is the challenge of using LLM as the interface to really rich data on the back end. If I ask that question 3 times, I might get 3 different answers. I love the fact that we have explainability, so I know what the answer is based off of. How do we direct customers to ask better questions?
Yeah, great question. So one of the other things we've introduced in the new Qlik Answers is this concept of something called guidelines, right? So a guideline is the ability for you to add a couple things. One is to kind of introduce additional instructions to make sure that when someone asks certain topics or different things, to continuously go down the right path, right? So maybe you want to you know that someone might ask the question 3 different ways, and you want to make sure it goes down the right path every time. You can provide those guidelines to the agent to do that. You can also load in here, you can see number 3 is example questions, right? So you can kind of seed these example questions that help the agent to be able to provide the right responses consistently across the content. And then you can apply these guidelines to different parts of your content. So you might say these guidelines apply to the structured data components. These guidelines apply to the unstructured knowledge repositories, right? So it allows you to really kind of get in and add an extra layer of protection